Welcome back, everybody. If there's a mental health provider shortage nationwide, then you know what's happening here as well, and it is. It's a big problem at a time when so many people are reaching out in need for mental health counseling. Well, Joe Lilly is Director of Outpatient Services at Robert Young Center, and you have a big recruitment event coming up in just a few days next week, Joe, and you could change some lives with this.
Well, we do,
right?
and again, thanks for having me back. Great to see you, Paula. Yeah, we have a great recruiting event next Tuesday, August 9th, and it's going to be from 4 to 7, held at our Trinity Rock Island campus in the Jardine Auditorium.
You have a list of professions or a list of positions that, I mean, this covers A to Z almost when it comes to healthcare. Yeah. Mental health focused, but not completely.
Well, you know, the traditional mental health positions, counselors, social workers and such, but certainly we have nursing positions too. We, Robert Young Center and Center for Alcohol and Drug Services, we cover services from outpatient, inpatient, and community-based. So a lot of unique roles and variety of positions that we're recruiting for. I
saw sign-on bonuses available. So that's nice. I mean, it really, recruitment is a big part of what you guys are doing now. It's so important.
Yeah. Well, you know, we've seen over the last 2.5 years, the demand for mental health services has gone up, certainly across the country and then here in the Quad Cities too. And for us to continue to expand programming, we need the high quality talent in the field to come in and take part in the work that we're trying to do.
For sure, yeah. And because this help is available, anybody who needs counseling can get it.
Yeah.
That's true, isn't it?
Right. Well, so we're a community mental health center, and we provide care regardless of ability to pay. So if you have private insurance, Medicare, or no coverage whatsoever, we have services available for the community.
So we're looking at some of the facilities, and so UnityPoint is also involved in this, right? That's your umbrella. Overall.
Yep. So we are affiliated with Trinity Regional Health System. We're part of UnityPoint Health, and certainly we do a lot of service and work with UnityPoint Health, the hospitals, and the clinics too, to make sure we have great access for their patients too for mental health.
So this is an in-person hiring event. It's happening next Tuesday from 4 to 7. Now, what should you bring along for this, Joe?
Well, certainly be prepared to talk to our talent acquisition team and our management team that's going to be there to share about the positions, but also bring a resume, be prepared for interviews on the spot, and certainly we want to look to fill positions quickly and find that great talent that we can do that with.
ASAP, right?
As quick as we can.
You know, we talk about the need for this, and you know, we don't mean to be doom and gloom about this, but there is such a great need for this. And have you noticed the increased need right here in the Quad Cities?
Yeah, I mean, all the things that we're trying to get through as a community coming out of the pandemic, all the social and financial challenges,
substance
grief and
abuse
loss,
issues,
substance use, all those things are very prevalent. I think we've done a great job as a community destigmatizing mental health and substance use services, so I think people are less afraid to seek out when they need help.
Which is good.
Which is good, but we have to, as a community provider, be prepared to have the staff and team to take care of our community when they need it most.
Yes, and more than ever, honestly. And yeah, on the one side, you do want people to seek this help, but then you need to be able to provide it.
Right.
Right. Yeah. So that's where all you pros come in. So if you just graduated, look at this. You got a hot new job right here in the Quad Cities.
Yeah, new graduates. I mean, you know, when we're talking to people with Western Illinois, St. Ambrose, Augustana, you name it, Trinity College of Nursing. We're open to anybody that wants to make a difference in the field.
Good. Well, let's take a look at that again so you know this is happening next Tuesday. This is the in-person hiring event. This is a recruitment event. On Tuesday from 4 to 7, and you're doing it at the Jardine Auditorium. That's inside UnityPoint Health Trinity in Rock Island.
You got it.
And it's kind of I don't know, like an auditorium, isn't it, right? Like a
nice large space. Again, we'll have each section set up with our team to talk about the services and open positions, and it'll be great. It'll be a great event.
Walk right in, and you can walk right out with the career of a lifetime for sure. Yeah. Joe, good seeing you.
Great seeing you too. Thanks so much.
Thanks for what you guys do.
Thank you.
It's so needed.